So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see that how we can create a compute instance by using Terraform. So let's get started. So if I can show you the code, so this is a sample code which we are going to use in this tutorial. That is, first we are defining the provider, that is Google, and in this block we are passing the project and the reason as variables. So this is our variables file where we have defined the three variables which we are gonna require, such that if you want to use this script, then you won't have to change anything into this main.tf file. You just have to change into this variables.tf file. So here if you can see that the project ID, so in your case you can enter your project ID and the reason, whatever reason you want, you can put that reason, and same with the zone as well. So after passing this information, I am going to create a compute instance. So for that, as compute instance is a type of resource, so we have to use this tag, that is resource compute instance, and then here I have given the name of the instance, that is Terraform instance, and it should be of type E2 medium, and it will going to create in this zone which we have passed through our variable. So now let's create our instance. So for that, open your terminal, and here I have to set my project. So for that, type gcloud config set project, and then you have to enter your project ID. So in my case it is DevOps -HQ, and hit enter. So we have successfully set up our project, and now here if I do an ls, so we can see our files are there. So now let's initialize our Terraform first. So for that, type Terraform init, and it will initialize our Terraform repository here. So it is initialized successfully, and now let's use the Terraform plan to see our script is correct or not, and what are the things it will gonna create when we run this script. So here we can see that it will create a instance for us, and it all results in a positive thing. So now let's deploy it. So for that we will use Terraform apply -auto approve, and then hit enter. So let's start creating our compute instance. Now let's log in into our console, and let's go to the compute instance. So here we can see that the compute instance is getting created here with the name of Terraform instance 2 in the same region which we have provided in our variables.tf file, that is Asia East 2B. And if we can go there, then it shows that apply complete, and it created one resource for us. And so now our instance is got created, and now let's suppose if we want to delete this instance, then we can do it through Terraform only, and for that we have to type Terraform destroy -auto approve, and it will destroy our instance. So here we can see that it has started deleting this instance, and if we can refresh here, so you can see that this instance is being stopped, and in some time it will got deleted as well. And in some time it will get deleted as well. So that's all for this video, and you will get the links of these Terraform files through our description, and thanks for watching.